All right, we have a new project. This time we have a 1990 club car, and there will be some fairly extensive work done on it this time. Uh, this kind of goes beyond where I have gone before as far as doing an upgrade for the lithium batteries. But there will be an upgrade. This will end up with LiFePO 4 batteries installed. But we'll cover how we're going to what we're going to do to get there. So anyway, let's take a look step by step here as far as what's wrong with the cart, what we're going to do to it other than the battery upgrade. And let's move on. All right, first thing we got going on is this headlight seems to be okay. I have not tested these voltage-wise, see if they come on or not. This one is falling apart. I believe I can fix it. There's looks like a halogen bulb in here. So if I can put this back together, there's a little gasket here that's kind of shredded, but I'll see if I can get that fixed. Also, we have a little badge problem here. So I'll take this off, get it polished up, and see if I can reattach it. Next item is the windshield. The clips for this that holds it onto the 1-inch square tube. Those are all deformed, and they have succumbed to the South Texas sun over the summertime. So the windshield, while the windshield itself is in good shape, it doesn't stay attached to the frame. So I've got new clamps, plastic clamps ordered to fix the windshield. Other than that, like I said, it's in good shape. As far as the dash goes, I think it's in pretty decent shape, and of course the voltage meter here is cracked, but it's not going to work. That kind of meter is not going to work with the lithium batteries, so that'll get replaced anyway. And I'm guessing there's a little flat spot over here. You see part of a American flag there. Very likely the new battery meter will go right in that little flat spot there. So it's what I envision happening anyway. The only other item that I know of that needs to be addressed other than the battery upgrade process is the right front tire. It doesn't hold air and it goes flat over the course of about 3 days. So I don't know if I will be able to plug it, find the leak and plug it, or if I want to need to add a tube or maybe just put in a whole new tire on. But in any event, that will be fixed before this cart is done. Here's where the real challenge is going to come in with this cart. Being a 1990 club car, it did not have a motor controller per se. It used a system of resistors, resistor network, and then what we're looking at right down here is another resistor module that is connected to the accelerator, and of course it picks off a voltage from this resistor network. You can see down along here, and it provided either more or less voltage to the motor, and that regulated the speed, of course. A workable design, but not very desirable, and the reason being that when you turn the key on and press the accelerator, this resistor network takes 100% of what the batteries can put out full time. It's just all the time. It just depends on what voltage is being picked off from the accelerator module down here and sending that voltage to the motor as far as how fast it'll go. And so you can't really do that method with a lithium battery. Lithium batteries are not designed to go full tilt, 100% output, full time, 100% duty cycle. You can't really do that with a lithium battery. I mean, you can, but they won't last long. So that would be one of the few advantages of a lead acid over a lithium, is that they can go 100% and they don't care. So, but anyway, in order to do this upgrade, what we're going to have to do is gut this entire compartment, including the resistor network and the resistor module down here that's connected to the accelerator. That all has to go away. And then I will put in a Curtis controller, actually a Curtis clone. And then, of course, I have to put the appropriate potentiometer. I got to connect it to the accelerator instead of the resistor network or the resistor module down here. So there's going to be some fabrication involved here. I'm going to set up a new linkage and calibrate the length, the throw of the accelerator pedal versus the throw of the potentiometer box. And then everything gets rewired. I do plan to keep the forward, reverse, the mechanical, it's basically micro switches, forward, reverse mechanism. But if I need to, I will switch over to the electric and just put a forward reverse switch on the dash. But anyway, it's going to be quite a project, and I'll take you along for the ride.